In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course in GoHighLevel for beginners. By the end, you'll have a clean course framework set up and ready to fill with modules and lessons. First, log into your GoHighLevel sub-account so you're on the main dashboard. From the left-hand menu, head into Memberships. This is the hub for everything related to your learning content and student access. Once you're in, hover your mouse over courses to reveal more options, then open Products. Think of products as the container where your courses live and where you'll manage them over time. Click Create New to start building. When prompted, choose Start from Scratch. Templates can be handy later, but starting from scratch gives you full control and helps you learn the workflow. Now, enter your course title. Keep it clear, benefit-driven, and searchable. You can always update it, but a strong title helps learners immediately understand what they'll gain. Next, add a concise course description. Aim for 2 to 4 sentences that explain who the course is for, the main outcomes, and any prerequisites. This is your value proposition. Make it simple and specific. Upload a course thumbnail by selecting Upload Thumbnail, then choose an image from your computer. Use a high-resolution graphic with strong contrast and minimal text so it looks great on both desktop and mobile. Consistent branding here helps your course feel professional. Next, set up pricing. You'll see options to make the course free or paid. Free is perfect for lead magnets or onboarding content. If you plan to charge, you can choose a one-time fee or a recurring subscription. For this walkthrough, select Free. You can revisit pricing anytime as your strategy evolves. Click Create Course to save everything and generate your course shell. You're now ready to add the actual learning material. Inside the Course Builder, start by adding your content structure, create modules to group related topics, then add lessons within each module. Keep lessons focused and digestible, ideally covering one concept at a time. You can include videos, text summaries, downloadable resources, and links to help learners apply what they've learned. Name your modules and lessons consistently so navigation feels intuitive. Use drag and drop to reorder items as your outline evolves, and remember to save frequently. It's also a good idea to preview the learner view to ensure your titles, descriptions, and media look polished on different devices. That's it. You opened your sub-account, went into Memberships, accessed courses and products, created a new course from scratch, added a title and description, uploaded a thumbnail, chose pricing, created the course, and set up your modules and lessons. You're ready to keep building and publish when you're satisfied with the structure and content.